guys. Sabi ni Pedro. Oh my goodness. Narinig niya ako. Ito na nga guys.
Ito naman guys.
Punta tayo na katatapos lang ng shift namin. Punta kami sa Bank of America at saka Seafood City para magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Papadala po tayo ng pera sa Pilipinas dahil yay! Thank you Lord! Sumahod na po ako. Pinasahod na po ako ni Mama. I got my first salary from Mama.
Yay!
Yoo-hoo! I'm thinking if we will eat in Jollibee, but then na-realize ko hindi pala na-realize kasi si Mama nag-order na Chinese lo mein. Tinikman ko yung Chinese lo mein. Masarap. So busog na ako. Tapos pupunta rin kami sa Island Pacific para bumili ng food doon. Siyempre ayoko nang magluto. I'll buy ready to eat food in Island Pacific. Fish.
Island Pacific is here for you.
Is here for you. So yun yung plan. Punta kami ng Bank of America. Tama ba lang? Wala ko. Yeah. Bank of America, then sa Seafood City to send money. Kasi nagsisend pa ako ng pera sa Atlas. Hindi po bank to bank. Pag maliit lang yung papadala ko doon. Pero pag pag malakihan, malaki parang malaki. Wala pang padalang malaki. Pag malaki po sa sa Atlas, kasi mas nakakamura kaysa doon. Then pag yung mga pa 200 lang naman, pag ganyan pa 100 pa 20 lang ganyan. Lang sa apps ko na yon. Kasi ganun din naman. So yeah. Then Seafood City kasi masasarap yung pagkain doon kaysa sa kung yung maingay baka magalit sa akin ng Seafood City because I like the food in Island Pacific than Seafood City.
Me too.
Mas masarap siya.
Yeah.
Kaya doon po kami.
Yeah.
Then ano pa ba love? Yung grocery namin bukas na po. Kasi nga mag-movie nights kami. Actually, meron pa po kaming OT later. May OT pa si Pedro 2 hours after nito. Then after ng OT, meron pa kaming ako, syempre, naka-duty ako sa bahay lang naman. Tsaka may mga side hustle tayo dyan. Ano naman tayo mga Pilipino, magaling sa side hustle. Salap. Say hi ka naman lang. Hi. Parang pagod pa po siya. Ayusin ko yung camera. Ay, lagay ko na kayo sa likod para makita nyo na yung yung paligid. Ayan po, magagas po muna tayo. Dito kami sa Chevron. Chevron?
Yeah, Chevron.
Chevron. So, dito po, sounds like LeBron. Guys, dito, yung self-service po dito, again, unlike sa Pilipinas po, tingnan nyo guys, yung tao. Hindi na si Pedro papakita ko. Tingnan nyo sila. Ayan, yung babae. Tingnan nyo na lang po yung babae. Ilagay niya yung, ayan o. Siya yung mismo naglalagay. Or self-service po. Siya yung mismo maglalagay ng gas sa kotse niya. Manood tayo. Ilagay niya yung ano, yung pinaka gas. Tapos pupunta siya dyan para bayaran. I don't know if nagbayad siya. Oh, I think kailangan mo pumunta sa loob para dun magbayad. Ayan na. Kita niyo yung babae, guys. Ayan. Tapos na mag-gas. Yung babae hindi pa. Tignan nyo guys, self-service po dito. Ayan. O yung babae nag-gas siya. Ayan.
$35 only half a tank.
Ang mahal ng ano daw. Ang mahal daw. It's expensive.
Yeah. A little pricey.
Half of tank of Pedro is $35. O, nakita nyo guys, tapos yung babae, ganyan lang po kadali. So, walang pila-pila. Terribles. So, yan na po.
Turn right for West Van Wagenen Street. Then turn right onto West Van Wagenen Street.
Ang araw.
Turn right onto
Grabe
West
na naman
Van
po ang
Wagenen
araw
Street.
ngayon.
Then use the left 2 lane.
Love, there's Camaro there. Oh, Bumblebee is in front of us. Guys, oh, si Bumblebee, nasa harapan namin. Sabi ni Pedro, Camaro daw yan. Ayan. Ganda kaya ng mga sasakan dito. Traffic. Guys, traffic. Guys, traffic sobra. Kasi may accident.
See? Car accident, the emergency little ambulance
Yeah.
there. Showing you stuff is happening around us.
So,
Oh, it's
nandito.
diverting. They blocked the lane. Oh, we cannot go. We're gonna be directed.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, coming. Come on, let's
So,
go.
nandito kami, exit 6. Nevada 146, St. Rose. Ayan guys. Kasi may accident daw there. Oh, I think the accident is that car.
See, they're waving people out.
Oh, yeah.
See that people? They're waving. I don't know, the cops or whatever. Yeah.
Ayan guys, so. Ayan, no. Tignan nyo yung lalaki. Pinapaano kami, winawas-awas kami sa kabila.
Crash reported ahead.
Oh. Doon yung accident guys.
Yeah.
Hindi natin makikita. Makikimarites sana ako eh. Kaya lang hindi na nakita.
Oh, that's the nail somewhere else. Okay. Let's see what this does. Thank God we have Waze. I open Waze now.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, 27 minutes. Wow, delayed us by 7 more minutes.
Oh
Wow,
my goodness.
9 more minutes.
Napadami pa kami ng 9 more minutes.
Yeah, the
Mio,
accident.
because of that accident.
Yeah.
In 1.7 miles. Take exit 20, Horizon Drive.
Ayan. Diyos Mio, yun o. Kapal ng kotse. Daming kotse sa
Oh my God. traffic's going on.
kalsada.
And I gotta go around to go back out. Look. U-turn. Yeah. Not
Ay,
gonna be
ay,
good.
pag-ibig. Let's enjoy the road.
Hopefully, mommy will sleep a lot because we're not gonna be home no time soon.
Ayan si si Bumblebee guys, oh. Hi Bumblebee. How are you, dude? Hi Bumblebee. Have a safe trip, Bumblebee. Tawa si Pedro eh. Sabi, Pedro, really? Sa wakas, nandito na rin tayo, guys. Nandito na tayo. Dito tayo sa ano, malapit kay Jollibee. Ito yung Seafood City na may Jollibee katabi. Seafood City. Seafood City. Napakaingat. Ay, napakainat. Napakainit. Ayan na tayo, guys. Hindi tayo magpapadala, guys. Ito, kalkukal. Bakit malalaka dito? Malalaka dito pag ganon? Apa? Guys, bili kami ng ano kaya? Ito kayang maliliit o ito? I think ito na lang. Ganap kami ng flan kay mama. I hear my love. Flan.
I knew it.
Oh, it's pangit. Look.
Oh no.
It's pangit. You wanna have it?
Let me see.
Check. Oh, look at their donut.
That's the
No.
only fun. Oh, I mean.
You ask them. I like this. Oh yeah, I like this. Royal Bibingka. I think I like this. And that. Royal Bibingka. Masasarap to. My love, this is masarap. Bibingka also.
Yeah, it's it.
Oh, you will like this.
Yeah, bring it. Bring it. Oh, there.
Ayan guys, so nasilang cheese bibingka, turon. Like turon? Turon. It's pangit. But this one, my love, buy this.
This okay.
Oh. It's pangit. Ay, sila mga tinapay dito. Parang sa Pilipinas lang. Special pandesal. Oh, di ba you like pandesal? Oh, but that's fattening, love.
Yeah.
Suman lihiya. Bumili kami ng kalamansi, guys. Tsaka dalandan. I think masarap na dalandan. O, tingnan natin kung may, mango. Walang mango. Dalandan din to. Parang mango masarap. Ito, parang masarap din to. Parang hindi. So, what's this, love?
Fresh fish.
How will you sell fresh fish?
Fresh fish.
Sariwa. Bili na kayo.
Fish head.
Fish head. Ayan.
I talk.
Ito. You touch it. Ang lansa. How much is this? Yeah, I told you. 2.99, guys. 4.99. Ito. Catfish. Kaya tamad ako magluto, kaya luto yung bibili natin. Pero yung bibili natin dito, yung mga karne. Meat. Meat section.
Let me see. What? Yeah, that's good. You like it?
But you like this? Mama likes this.
Mama
right?
likes this. We can make a barbecue.
Okay, let's go.
It's meat section. of Seafood City. That's meat, more meat, and meat, and more meat. And meat.
Chicken. Ay, they don't have breast here.
Oh.
Palawi, right?
No, it's okay.
It's pork. Yeah, it's enough.
It's okay.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, you can have that. That's a fish. That's dry fish.
I don't like.
That's it, dry fish. That's it. That's dry fish. Why are you laughing? She used to have mabaho breath if she takes that fish.
Oh,
Mabaho, baho, baho. So banana. Oh, can we?
What is this?
These are the? Oh, these are the manzano banana. Oh, they're so good.
Oh yeah, we can fry
I'm taking
that.
that.
But that not that
Okay,
over, right?
do we have? Oh, over there.
I think this one is better.
But that's too big, love. No, some smaller. Like here. Look, right there. This one. See?
Get that.
Manzano one. They're sweet. From the Philippines? I don't know. Maybe. Vietnam? I don't know.
Ito.
What is that? What is that?
I don't
What
like
is
it
that?
anymore. Ito lang.
What is that? What is that? Oh, mushrooms. Oh, that's for tae.
For me to
For
try.
fiber. Tae. Oh, okay. Let me see. Yeah. Salad, tomato, repollo. No, we're good.
Oh yeah, the bone.
Oh, see? Right there. That's not repollo right here, that bowl. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops. Well, we can... Oh, it's over there, right? That's repollo. Repollo. In English, repollo.
I like this.
That's a huge repollo.
Ito.
That's massive. Eto? Eto means that. I'm learning Filipino. I'm learning Tagalog. Learning Tagalog. I know lots of Tagalog, guys. I know cuchara, tenedor, abogado, cortina, sala. And guess what? They're all Spanish words, so I haven't learned nothing. Basura. Okay, mahakita. I know that. What else we got? What is this? Oh, potato? Potato? Huh? It's potato. Oh, yeah, dragon fruit. But I like the red one, not the white ones. I don't know if those are the white ones. Because they tend to be darker, I guess. I'm not sure. But this is dragon fruit, guys. This is exotic fruit. Supposedly, it's what you call it? A mega fruit or our fruit? Take this one, love. Let's take one. Yeah, hopefully this will be red inside, not white. Okay. They have big old corns. Oh, mandarin orange. Papaya, $129. What? Why so cheap? Are they rotten? Baya? Why I cannot zoom? What's going on? So we can tae? So we can kaka? Yeah, a small one, love. Not too... So we can share. Yeah, half C's. No, get the other one you had before. The other one you had before, love. Remember like melon? You touch it? Similar to melon? Like this, see? This is good. A little, not too soft, not too hard. Like this. Right here. Almost ready. The more yellow, the more ready. That's ready right here. I think that's ready.
This I think it's
Yeah.
but it's green. I think this is the perfect one.
Yeah. This was like that A size.
I think this one.
Yeah, that one. Oh, God. Okay, let's go. I give up. You ready?
Ready?
Are we ready to go? We're done? Okay, we're done. Take two. 2 days later. We're still here waiting.
I said the
And we keep waiting.
papaya there.
Papaya there.
This is not yet open.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not
Yeah.
yet ready.
24 hours later. I'm stuck. So where we going, love? I'm following you. Where are we going? Oh. Where are we going? Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Well, we're done, right? We're going to Island Pacific. We're going to cheat on Seafood City. We're going to cheat on them because they're too pricey here. Where are you going? You left me with the car again. She takes the car away so I can hold the camera, and then she gives it back to me. See, look.
We're done.
We're done. So we're going to cheat now?
Yeah.
Okay. This place is big. It has a lot of stuff. I remember we bought a bag of laurel leaves here like last year, and we still have it. We still have it. So many of them.
Oh, you need pancit.
You need pancit. See, Canton. Oh, where's the car's right? Okay, you left it alone. Okay, so what do we need? That one. Okay. So you can make pancit pihon. Pancit Canton. Okay, so she keeps telling me she wants one thing. Look, we came for one thing, like maybe two. Look what this is her. Every time, it doesn't fail. See that? Oh, I only got the banana, but she got everything else. That's her, all the time. Say one thing, honey, one thing, and then we got 20 things. One thing, $80, $100. Okay, one thing, one item. That's what happens when you marry a Filipina. They just keep shopping and shopping and shopping. They love to shop. Why you like to shop? Interview. Why you like to shop?
Because it's stress reliever.
Stress reliever. See, that's why. Oh, ouch. That's why.
Because you're stressing me.
Yeah, I'm stressed. No, I'm not. Not like that. See, how we come here. So now we're leaving after spending $100 in one item that she said she was gonna shop. Yeah. Yes. She speak to the mic.
Masarap, masarap.
She said that she's stressed. That's what she's shopping, right? Yep. Because I stress her out. She has to shop for stress relief.
Stress relief.
Yeah, see, I need this for stress relief. Calamansi juice. See that? So, where a car's over there, right there. Right there, front.
There's a lot of traffic.
Yeah, we cannot go.
Let them go. Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Let's go. I'm gonna open this and try it. See? Let's see. Wait. Calamansi? Sarap.
Taste it. Ayan. Sarap.
We need to get calamansi. The real fruit, not.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really good, love.
Sige nga, I wanna try it naman.
You like it? You like it?
Oy, oo nga.
Ah, see, yeah. See,
Kaya lang.
but I like
Bitter.
it. A little bit.
A little
Supposed
bitter.
to, but I like it.
Ano yung buto.
Yeah. See that? I like it. Thank you.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Let's go.
See you later, guys.
Sabi niya, kasi mo gagawa kasi hindi ko kaya. O yan. Nakakatawa siya. Ano?
In Island Pacific, I can get
Try
them.
namin to.
I like those.
At saka ito guys. Ano to, kalamansi, tsaka pandan. Tikman natin. Sarap siya. Kaya naman pait. Love. It's bitter because of the buto. Of the seed.
What's buto?
The seed. I like calamansi. Not this. I don't know if
I like calamansi
it
more.
It has it.
I should have bought a few of them. But I didn't.
Hindi kami nakapag-withdraw sa Bank of
Calamansi
America kasi malayo. Kasi po, pag ano guys, pag naghulog ka sa Atlas, ano, ang processing fee is $9 lang pag may cash ka. Pero, pag ang ano mo, ang gagamitin mo is yung card mo.
So good. You don't want this?
Pero pag ang gagamitin mo yung card mo, $12. So, 10, 11, 12. $3 plus $3. Okay lang. Tapos, nag-decline yung card ko. Ginamit ko yung card ni Pedro. Kasi, pag 1,000 pala yung papadala mo,
Turn right. Then turn
above
right on West Verizon
1,000,
Ridge Parkway.
parang ibablock ka ni Bank of America. Ano niya, binablock niya. So, kailangan yung, kay Pedro yung ano ko,
Turn right on
hirap
West
ko muna.
Verizon Ridge Parkway.
Tapos ito, tikman natin to guys. Royal Bibingka. Tingnan natin to kung masarap. So guys, titikman natin tong Royal Bibingka. Kung royal ba siya talaga. Royal.
Royal mataba.
Royal mataba. Ah, ayoko hawakan. Love you, try it.
No, I'm driving.
Try it.
Okay.
Ano ba yan? Ang kunat.
Ow.
Ang kunat siya, guys.
That's good, love.
Ha?
Yeah, you gotta break me off a piece, love. Sure. There's two. Chewy.
Ano siya? Parang tikoy.
It's good to go. Oh my God, love. Not that much.
Kinagat ko siya.
It's so sweet.
We call it tikoy, love. Valerio's Bake Shop to, guys.
Turn right on Seven Hills Drive.
Ano to? Ang sarap niya. Parang siyang tikoy. Nabibingka. It's like tikoy bibingka, love. And tikoy is usually served every Christmas, love. Christmas or New Year. That was, I think, came from Chinese something.
No more, Mama. So much.
Sobrang tamis. I love it. Mama would like it.
Jalandang.
Sabas. Traffic na naman. Ate, gusto mo ate? Royal Bibingka. So good.
In half a mile, turn left on East Pile
Pag
Avenue.
kinain mo to para ano, pakiramdam mo nasa Pilipinas ka. Now, eating this is like you're eating at home.
Pretty much, it's good.
Is that correct, love?
Yeah, eating back at home.
Eating bang at home. So good.
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to turn left.
Now we are at Island Pacific. All you can eat. Not all you can eat, sorry. This is like a carinderia. And that's what we have. We have lechon, fish with lechon. We have bistec. We have some types of pancit, fish, nuts, juices, desserts. And that's a big old mountain of pancit right there.
Okay. Yeah. Pila diferensya sa price. Sa large at sa medium.
There we go. That looks good, folks. That looks good. Get it? Lechon. And beef. Beef? No, that's pata. I think it's pata. Oops. That's pata, guys. Where did the little lady go? Okay, let's follow her. Back of the line. Back of the line.
Sige po. Sabi ni Kuya, dadagdagan daw Kuya.
Oh, I don't know what that meant, guys. She said something. Something about kuya. Oh, look at Pansy. Looks so moist and nice. I like it. I like this one too. But I don't want that now. Oh, do we have it? Are we getting beef? Yay, we're getting that, guys. And this is...
What's this? I think it's a chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Okay, yeah, okay. No. I like it, but it's okay.
Yeah. Back to work kami, guys. OT siya. 2 hours. Ako OT din. Sa tabi niya.
I'm working.
Yeah, I'm working with you. I'm your assistant. I'm your secretary. Enjoy namin yung pagkain, guys. What we had is yung pansit bihon, kadereta.
So good.
Yeah. Bistek and pusit. Tapos hindi na ako order ng kanin. Iuulam ko yung bukas, tsaka yung fish, pampano. So, have a good night, guys. God bless you.